So it never lets us down, this place. It delivers every time. We've got a nice little hill here with quite a few washouts and stuff. So we'll get a bit of this and we go round into this. This is the top end of the woods where there's some mega stuff up here. We should have some real mud as well today. So stick with us. Let's have a look at this. Some of this burger. That's a folded joint in there, normally.
So welcome back, folks. Part 2, Barmouth. What a day this is going to be. Now trust me, if you thought last week's was good, that was just a warm-up to today's events. Trust me, get yourself a beer, a brew or something and make yourselves comfy. You won't want to miss this.
Made light work of that, didn't he? With his new welded diff. It's turning into a bit of a weapon, is that, Jimmy, you know? It really is. I don't know whether I should be worried here. But the Jimmy, spreadsheet engineer with his D1 tray back. God, I'm going to be left behind before long. I doubt it.
Needs to get Nora done.
See you at the top.
Dora making light work of that. Yeah, beginning of the day. And Jethro's somewhere close behind. Keep an eye on this boy today. Now then, Connor. And what we are going to call, I think we're going to keep it on as the green turd. The green turd. They say you can't polish a turd. Well, we'll see. I'm sure Connor will have a good go. But I tell you what, for all that, you know, might not be the prettiest thing, but keep an eye on that thing today. That surprises me and everyone else later today. Trust me, what a surprise. Now then, Lee, Corey, in this, well, what a truck. This classic 200 TDI. Now, you'll remember from last week's video, earlier in the day, boy, they gave it some grief up them hills. Keep an eye on this. I wonder, will it last the day? Will it? I don't know. Now you can see in this is Mo driving again. This guy's rarely ever been out. Watch this. What a drive, man. What a drive. Look at that. Go on, Mo.
There, go. Yeah, go.
So then, making our way up through into the woods here. Now these are just the access tracks. Wait till you see what we get up to further up. And talking about what we get up to, we went over the show last weekend. Thanks again to all you people out there. It was great to see you. And even better, that you'd all come over and say hello. It is great to be able to speak to you all, have a chat. We made some new friends there that day. And don't forget, if you see us out anywhere, don't be shy. Come over, say hello. Ben's usually got some free stickers knocking about somewhere. Make yourself known, people. Make yourself known.
Oh, a little bit of wheel arch rub. A bit of wheel arch rub. Get the cutter out.
So then Jethro making his way up there. Won't be long before he does get the grinder on that, I reckon. Now then, Connor in this green turd, you know. You watch when he gets up here now. What a capable thing this is turning out to be. Don't tell him I said that, will you? But you watch as he goes past. I'm sure we get Mr. Smugface off him again. Can't be having him doing this, peeps. Can't be having him. I think I'm getting worried with Dora.
Flexi boy!
Oh, yes, boy! The new toy does not disappoint. It looks like a very capable thing. Roll cage is absolutely mint. A bit high. I think he's going to take it down a bit on the top.
Very reserved and calm and quiet drive here. And I think it's Corey driving as well. That won't last, babes. That won't last. You might have noticed here that Ben seems to be on the camera all the time today, and his dad's taken over the motor. Hey, one up for parents.
Slowly. What happened then, mate?
He's just left the spring behind, didn't he?
Oh, has he? He just dumping parts everywhere.
He is, isn't he?
Not even leaving them for the scrap, man. Hey, what's
I'm
going
getting my
on?
boot in a minute.
That's it, mate. That's it. He doesn't need that. He's got three more.
Like I said, this one does flex well. You can see down here, have a look, fit down here and have a look. You could live under that wheel arch, couldn't you? Look at that. You could literally live under there. Anyone short somewhere to live? Give Ryan a shout, ask him what the rent is for that wheel arch. The other lads making their way through. Quite washed out down there. It's the green turd. No lockers. Connor's got no lockers today. He hasn't got round to putting them in it yet. But it will be locked up shortly, I'm sure. Doesn't seem to be needing them at all today. Lovely. So, onwards, upwards. No CDL, Jeff? Missed it. Well, would you believe it? Jeffro's had to opt for the easy line there. Couldn't get through. Bit of a washout. Green turd. What do you think? See, I said he'd miss his lockers, didn't I? Didn't we know he was going to say that? I have to go this way a touch. That's a nice way of saying, take the easy line, Connor. More momentum. Bump it, go on, just bump it. Go on, just bump it, it'll go. We've had the smug face, this is the old bollocks face.
That's the way to do it, lad.
And that was the Corey with the no f***s left to give approach.
That way there. Oh, shit.
As if I'd do that, Mo. As if I'd do that. What does he take me for? As if I'd intentionally try and get somebody stuck. Me! Me of all people! As if. I'm quite offended by that, really. Anyway, let's see what we can find a bit further on up the woods here. Stick around. Another favourite bit of ours up here, Muddy Corner. This is right up on the top of the hill, so it gets all the weather. As you can see, very much peat, mud. Usually a bit of fun going through here. So we'll see. I think the mud may fly today. I'm not really sure how soft any of this is, but I'm sure we'll find out very shortly. Very shortly. And then we're gonna go. So we're gonna come from there down here. Here it gets like quite. Don't know. It can be quite difficult to get round here because the track wants to take you that way. So you have to come up and over and out the ruts. So we've had a few people stuck on this particular place a few times. Hopefully that won't be the case today. So here comes Ryan in the Jimmy. Now remember, he's locked now over there. Oh, that's not as muddy as I thought. Let's see what I'm saying there now about that track. It wants to take you to the left. Yeah, Land Dragon's doing their job there. Don't get the order off. Let the order have a run through. Oh man, I'm trying to get on through here now without falling over. This is a bit of a nightmare. I don't want to give you too many bloopers, people. Not too many. Take your shit home, people. Take your shit home.
Dirty bastard. You should sell that one as well.
That's all right.
And that people is right for the Muddy Corner. Tell you what, it's a bit of a dip there. Nothing a bit of fucking half fix. There's a bit of a dip there, Gray, isn't there, mate? No, last time we came, mate, I went sideways into that fence nearly. Yo! Fucking hell.
Comments below. Is Connor drinking too much Monster?
Now let's see how my dad does. Been having a lot of fun. He nearly hit a tree. Oh, that's Connor's back. See what he does. Will he boot it? Will he boot it?
Now, Pooch, you may have heard this many times before. If you're going into water, of any depth really, of any sort of water crossing, always check the depth. Ryan, in the Jimmy. Water. Have a watch of this. Just have a watch of this. So that was much, much deeper than Ryan expected just then. Now you see as Dora comes through there how deep that is. Now Dora's a big old girl and running 37s. So we can only imagine what we're going to find when we go and have a look in this Jimmy. Oh dear.
Did you get wet? Yeah. Wow. Oh dear.
It all came through the gear stick gate and everywhere, look. All over me. I just want to check everything's alright under there. I'm sure it's just steam, but they threw up pipe.
Yeah, that's just the steam, that.
Yeah, they could, I had something in there, I don't know what it was.
Just the radiator, that, isn't it? Yeah. No, he just said it's steam, I think it's just through the water, the radiator.
I just don't know if it's up too much water and the airbox is the best deal. Still running. Alright. Should be alright.
Would you like that?
On the gear stick, everybody's hit fly around it.
So another splash to go through here.
Boring! Send it! Send it!
Not after that. Not after that.
Like a child.
What do you mean today?
I'm a child! I'm a child!
Child. Child.
I haven't been this part of you.
No?
No.
This is right up on the top. It's usually the views are brilliant from here.
Yeah, I normally go left, back that way.
Oh yeah,
Top
but
of the hill.
we can go back that way after.
So you'll notice there, Ryan took heed, didn't he? Check the depth of that water. Not. Anyway, onwards, upwards. We'll get ourselves round to this next bit. Now this next bit we're going to come across, stick a little picture down here somewhere. You'll remember Ryan last time at this particular place we're coming to. Oh dear, the fun we had at this one. Watch this now, see how we get on. Easier, harder, I don't know.
Wheel up there, I know I'm going to lean like good chance I might lift up, but I'm not going to go far. Worst case, you can tip over on the bank, can't I?
Yeah. Yeah, go on.
Doesn't make good videos, doesn't it? I still think that's fine though, innit? Right.
Yeah, it looks like it. More so now. What I'll probably do is rub a wheel here. Along here.
Show the picture, folks. Good, right.
It's
Chimney time. Now last time we were here, this chimney very nearly went on its roof. You may remember the thumbnail of him standing on it.
Right there, lad. Coming up here.
So we're going to let him take his own line this time, because he did nothing but moan about the line last time. I think this is well drivable this time, to be honest. Quite an angle, that. Oh, twitchy bum there, I think. Oh dear. Oh, a bit of a twitchy bum there. Oh, through it. Well then, let's go see. Will Dora do it?
Of course she will. So no problem coming down. Now this is the first of many attempts to get up one of these little cuttings here. Now the thing you need to appreciate with this little Jimmy here is it's a right little weapon, but it's got no power steering, you know. It's like driving an old series Land Rover, pulling and dragging at that wheel in there. It must be awful tiring in there, you know.
I meant you think you might get it from there.
That's how you
Hang on the phone there,
coming back up,
Yeah, I would go with that side, yeah. What's the word for that when you have to win?
Now remember this moment, people. This is not something you will hear Ryan say very often. Not a bit there.
Are you going to turn all back up, mate? Hey, get a lovely big one there, mate.
So then, Dora seemed to make it easy work of getting down there. Well, easy. It was a bit unnerving, I'll be honest. But now then, we're going to have a go at getting back up. Now, after watching how that little Jimmy, that little weapon of a Jimmy struggled, I'd be lying if I said that I wasn't just a tad nervous going into this. But we'll see. Dora's never let me down before. So I would say that that was exit number 1, a refusal. Point blank refusal. We'll have to go for that again. See if we can get out of exit number 2.
Oh yes! Oh yes! Oh
Did you?
Dora did a thing! Dora did a thing! Ha ha!
Did that one. I got the axles and I'm not even locked. Oh no.
I got it on video of it just going straight at us.
Wait till one of the axles are fitted, I'll show you.
Right.
You.
So that's me told then, eh? Let's get on with Jeffro having a look. So Jeffro, making it look easy again. Trust me, that's not an easy drive. Boy, this lad can wheel, you know. He can wheel.
Oh, some knobheads parked a chimney in the way.
Hang on, before I move it though, I've got to jack it up, put the string in. It's in that position for a reason. Whoa, 1 minute. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Oh. What do you reckon?
Oh, I don't know. I hope he doesn't get up. It'd be embarrassing if he does. Maybe because I've made a track for him. It's a better line. Much better line.
Yeah, I think it's your rear left. Stuck there now. How you bug? Stuck between a rock and a hard place.
Does your winch work?
It's not wide in.
Is that a prop then?
Yeah, that's it.
Oh dear.
Do I need to get the wing?
Oh dear.
Do I need to get my truck or? I can use front or rear wing. When you can fucking knock onto the trees with your winch as well, don't you?
Oh dear.
Couple of weeks old. Warranty claims.
There goes
on the
prop.
road.
I'm sure you heard the bang then. It was quite a bang. And that's the rear prop just gone.
Yeah, 10
Let's have a look at that, Jeff.
10 out of 10 for trying.
Trophy, lad, trophy.
Was made in India. Oh, say no more.
Connor will come up with his winch now, we'll winch it up.
Yeah.
With a green turn now, to the rescue.
Pull this track here and then you put the first back down on.
Pull him with the rear winch.
You can anchor it to a tree with the front one and stop him from going anywhere. Stairs.
Props.
Well, what we can do when we get back down to the bottom so you can get home, you can take it, you can borrow the one off my...
I'd be like to do front wheel drive, wouldn't it?
Oh,
Oh, fucking
proper done it there, doesn't it?
Come loose as well, isn't it?
Proper done it, look at that.
Yeah.
Nice.
Let me get the strap.
Jump to this side of the bumper, mate.
What?
This side, the other side of this shit.
This. Wait for the shackle there. Hey! Wait there! Yeah!
Do you want a shackle?
It's alright. He's got one.
I've got one of them soft things here.
I think he's got a proper one.
Watch yourselves now.
Move back, guys.
Yeah, catch it. Yeah.
What bumper's trying to move on this one side.
Yeah.
I reckon getting a bit shackle up, getting this bit at the guy.
Just do some time, it's not.
Hey?
Let's move and then stops.
Sure?
Yeah.
Yeah, he says carry on then.
Thumbs up, thumbs up.
He said carry on, if it comes off, it comes off.
Is this one bumper?
Yeah.
That's what my plan was. Yeah.
Oh, it's bad, that, isn't it? Mate, you had the perfect line there as well. You were going up that. Straight up a bit now, Jeff, a little bit. Go on. Straight up, straight up. Go on. So what Jeff's doing now, he's going to attempt to go down here again. Oh, where's my hand? There it is. So we're going to attempt to go down there again. And we'll drive out that way. Straighten up, Connor.
So,
Drive down and there, Graham, we'll have a go. You can spot
Lee now in his classic Reggie 200 TDI. Need for speed there, I think.
Didn't even flinch.
There's something there he's really like to do. Oh, he's going to try and come back up.
Oh, what's that?
That sounds like front diff.
No, it's still got driving, What's the rear diff? That rear diff just gone? Today. Think your rear diff's gone, Lee? He's got no drive on the back.
No drive on the rear.
Rear diff's blown.
Has it jumped out of diff lock? No, it's blown.
So that's a diff on that one and a prop on Jeffro's.
I wanted to break it.
Me thinks we might be able to see if we can scrounge the prop off that one to put on Jeffro's. I think we might need to winch that one out as well.
No.
Well, we're just going that way. Let's just leave them down here.
Yeah, I suppose we are going down that way. Might be a prop there for you, Jeff.
I've got a spare one in the back of mine, but I've got a bit more with it. Spare one there if you want it.
I said, didn't I? Barmouth always gives. Always gives. Stick with us and see what else happens.
Hey, Ben here. Hope everyone's alright. Hey, me dad did well, didn't he? I think he's starting to like this off-roading game. I think it won't be long till he's got one himself. Now, remember, keep all those comments coming. TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube. We do read them all. And again, the TikTok, I know it's so slow, but trust me, it's coming. So, take it easy, everyone. In a bit.
Getting very hot there, mate.
Because it's sat down there without airflow. I never thought I left it tipping over, didn't I? And then I just went straight up here and tried that. It'll be alright. I've let it cool down. It's blowing out the track. There. Once the good thing about the keeping is don't care. Yeah.
I'm just a little bit warm.
I'm doing that, but I'm getting that, mate. That last time, I didn't try hard enough. The first time, I'd have got it if I didn't stop. I'm doing that. Only because I know my dad's going to go over it now. I will get up there. I need to put that on. Yeah.
Can you put a biscuit on it?
No. It'd have to be electric. I wouldn't trust the biscuits.
Better though, aren't biscuits are better.
I just don't trust it. Fucking engine moves. And, you know what I mean? That's it, thanks.
Yeah.
Yeah. I've been so close in there, you know what I mean? It'll be alright.
Nice and warm.
What's that?
It's warm.
Yeah.
Hey, buddy! What do you reckon? Getting a bit hot here, are we?
It's a little bit hot. A little bit.
You reckon you'll get up it, man?
No. You best not.
Keep a tray back. Hey, if you have a tray back, you can put your rab on the back.
Yeah. Yeah.
Good man.
I've got it. The beer's in. Push me off. Fair dues, done well there.
Now that is a challenging drive, that I'm telling you. Take my hat off to any one of you who gets up that. This is the hard bit here, right? That bit there.
Getting over this bit here.
When you get to here, what I found is, right, to try and hit fucking as close into this into here as you can.
Yeah.
Try and stay away from, see, first of all, I was going over there, trying to get over that.
Yeah.
I want to come over this side.
I don't think I will.
told you it'd go up.
Hey, he got us a bit there, didn't he, Greg?
Now that smells hot. That smells proper hot.
That was on it, wasn't it? That wasn't it? Oh, he was put on the floor there.
Yeah, you can tell.
Anyone else?
Don't know what all the fuss is about. No issues for the tray back with this hill. Have you got that hat off yet, Graham? Oh, what's he going to claim? That he cleared the way, is it?
Needs to be more over this way. It's throwing you up there, isn't it? It's a challenging drive, that, like. It was. It's a bit of a challenge to get up there. That's because I cleared the way for you.
Is it?
That's what it is. I cleared the way for him, peeps. Daughter doing the good deed again, see? Cleared all the brash and the logs out the way, so it made it easy for Connor and his heap of shit to get up there. I'm waiting to see the Jimmy. Ryan's determined he's going to come up it. I'm not so convinced, really. I don't know. Go on, Jeffro!
Oh, he's trying to start the chimney.
He's determined he's going to have a go. He's determined he's going to get to the top. Just because Dora did, I think. And the tray back. Now the tray back's done it, he's even more determined. Oh, Jeffo's having another go. He said one more, didn't he?
He did.
That's two goes. Oh, Jeffo. Exactly the same place again. Exactly the same place, it's throwing you into that bank there. Made it interesting for the Jimmy now anyway.
Got mud right down my back.
This is going to be very interesting for the Jimmy. I'll just show you just quite how deep these are now. So that's how deep it is here.
Good crotch height for Graham, which is what, about 3-4 foot?
Got to be something about 3 foot in it. Something like that, 2.5, 3 foot. He's on 33-inch tyres, but he's got a lot rear diff, and he's got lots of determination. So, I don't know what's going to happen. It started. Go on, Jimmy. Exactly the places, Jeffo. There he comes.
Here he comes again.
That's getting flipping hot, that is, people. That was spitting water out then. We all know what he's like. But I don't know whether he'll see sense here. What do you think? Leave us a comment there. Will he see sense or will he go again? I really don't know. Oh no. He seems he's got this attitude of, it's going up or I'm going to break it trying. Where does he get that from? I have no idea. No idea. Unfortunately, folks, I'm afraid that's all we've got time for again this week. But as you can see there, that's been a very, very eventful trip out to Barmouth, and I'm sure we'll get there again sometime this year. In the meantime, don't forget now, like, share, subscribe, ring that little bell. Keep it ringing. You'll know then exactly when we've got things coming out for you to watch. And make sure you catch up with Ben's stuff he's doing on TikTok. We're on Facebook, Instagram, all that stuff. And we'll see you same time, same place, next week here on 4 Wheel Drive UK.
That hole that you dug with earlier.
Well, it helped you.
That's how you fucking do it!
I did that one.
Go on, Jeff!
Ryan.
Up. Up.